Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Monday, November 28, 2022. Government is welcoming the latest multi-million US dollar investment in Jamaica's tourism offerings. Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett were on hand for last Friday's groundbreaking for the boutique resort development Unico in Lilliput, St. James. The adults-only all-inclusive hotel will provide approximately 451 additional rooms to the accommodation sector, including over-the-water bungalow accommodations aimed at attracting thousands of new tourists to the island. The Spanish resort's construction will employ over 1,000 local skilled laborers and create more than 600 new permanent jobs in the tourism sector. The project is the first of a series of program developments for owners, the RCD Hotels and AIC Hotel Group, which will also be partnering with the government to provide housing solutions for their workers.
We are also very much pleased to hear that you come to Jamaica with a social consciousness about housing for those 600 plus tourism workers. If we are truly interested in building an excellent product, then we must not only build rooms for visitors, we also have to build rooms for the workers. And the government has a key role to play in ensuring that we have houses.
Still in the West, 5 units built under the new social housing program, NSHP, have been handed over to families in several communities across St. James. Prime Minister Andrew Holness presented the keys to beneficiaries in Norwood, Salt Spring, Lottery, and Canaan on Friday. The houses include 3 3-bedroom units, a 2-bedroom unit, and a 1-bedroom dwelling. Mr. Holness says these and others reflect transparency in the selection process of NSHP beneficiaries.
What we're trying to do is to provide social housing according to the laws of Jamaica. So I want to assure Jamaica that there is no favoritism, skullduggery, or any favoritism or cronyism being applied in the distribution of these houses.
Friday's presentations marked the delivery of 119 houses under the NSHP program. The initiative aims to improve the living conditions of Jamaica's most vulnerable citizens by providing quality, affordable, and sustainable housing. The Black River Hospital in St. Elizabeth has received a donation of much-needed equipment valued at over $23,000 US. The equipment was handed over last week by Parity Enrichment Project, PEP Inc., a United States-based nonprofit organization. They include 33 beds, 2 stretchers, 1 physician scale, and 1 medical examination table. The Parity Enrichment Project focuses on enhancing the community of Parity and its environs in St. Elizabeth. It was registered in 2020. The states of public emergency SOEs recently established in 7 parishes will come to an end tomorrow, having failed to secure the votes needed for an extension in the Senate last Friday. Extension of the SOEs was being sought for an additional 46 days for the entire parishes of Westmoreland, St. James, Hanover, Clarendon, and St. Catherine, and all police divisions in Kingston and St. Andrew, with the exception of St. Andrew Central and North. However, Friday's vote in the Senate fell short by 1, as all 13 government senators voted yes, while all 8 opposition senators voted against the extension. Expressing disappointment at the outcome, Prime Minister Andrew Holness asserts that there is no question as to the effectiveness of the crime prevention measure.
Contrary to what they have tried to position in the minds of Jamaicans, the state of public emergency is constitutional and no court has ruled otherwise. And therefore, the tool is lawful and it is effective.
Mr. Holness, who was addressing a function in St. James, says this should have been considered in the senator's decision, as well as the reality that the SOEs save lives and improve security for citizens. And finally, Jamaica's public sector is benefiting from technical support under the Canada CARICOM Expert Deployment Mechanism, CCEDM. The aim is to develop a strong cadre of professionals who are able to drive sustainable and resilient programs as the country pursues its Vision 2030 goals. The Planning Institute of Jamaica, PIOJ, says the CCEDM provides expert consultancy for strategic development. The details were outlined by Deputy Director of External Cooperation Management and Project Development, Barbara Scott. She was speaking at a recent JIS think tank.
A number of or development or MDAs, ministries, departments, and agencies, have for quite a while required expertise which can only be accessed through consultancies, which come at a very high cost. The expertise that the CCEDM brings is on a grant-funded basis. So the government of Jamaica, the government of Canada, is bearing the cost.
The CCEDM has provided support to 18 government entities and has a capacity of 60 assignments. The 4-year program was officially launched in September 2021. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.